How's your hair? Is your hair
Hair's
ready?
fine. Are you all ready?
I don't know. Are you ready?
Yeah. Are you rolling?
We're rolling.
Here we are. You think long time, but we're back. We're ready.
By the power of YouTube, you won't know the
Power of YouTube, you will never know. It was just
Hey,
yesterday.
where'd you get that? Well, that's pretty cool. Who sent you
Well,
that?
this came from our sponsor,
Who's that?
Endurance Laserworks. Oh, that's who we need to do. The production companies. Maybe.
We'll have to do that on the next one.
The next
We're
one.
rolling.
We're rolling. We're live. We only do one take. Endurance Laserworks. Located out of Ogden, Utah. Good place. Need to go see her. Anyway.
What are we doing today?
Oh, today's a stressful day, guys. Glad you came along.
What are we looking at here?
This is a Porsche 914 motor, or a VW Type 4 motor. It is a 66 millimeter stroke.
Oh yeah, let's go look at his notes.
So it's a 66 millimeter stroke, a 96 bore, and I know there's going to be a lot of doubters. It's a 7.6 to 1 compression ratio.
Why on earth would we do that?
Why on
That's
earth
crazy.
would we do that? Cut for a minute.
No, we're not cutting. We don't.
You are going to cut because I'm going to be a minute.
We're gonna have to fast forward it. While we're waiting, we'll take a look at just some of his flywheels and clutches and pressure plates that he had to dig through to make this setup work. Oh, what do you got there? Where?
Well, I'm a big believer of snails. So this motor is designed to run a turbocharger. And actually, this probably is the right size for this motor. On the internet, there's a lot of downers that say you cannot turbo these. That is not true. We have, and it was fun. We have a 914 that was running a turbo in 120 in third gear. I think it was a good reason to turbo this little 912. So, anyway, this motor is set up for turbocharging, low compression. It's going to be spicy.
So what are we trying to do in today's video?
So this is actually this motor has never been built.
Never been ran.
Never been run. It was freshly built last year. So she has a birthday. I figured we got to get this thing running. So this is our engine stand. You come this way.
Let's show the people what we got.
What we have.
Can't take credit for this one.
We did not. This came with a car we bought.
Beetle, yeah.
This has a bell housing from a Volkswagen Bug.
Which explains the pressure plates and
That
clutches
explains
and everything.
why all the flywheels.
Grabbing.
Because I put a 914 flywheel, which is 215 millimeter, and you need to put a 200 millimeter.
Let's just, whoever made this, good on you. You did a great job.
They did. You have gauges, you have a RPM, you have, this should be an oil pressure idiot light. We don't. We use actually a physical oil pressure gauge. Has an amp, which we're not running an alternator, so that's not hooked up. Push button start. I did add an extra switch up here. I'm running electric fuel pump. They didn't. I'm sure it was a Type 1 bug. They use in their mechanical fuel pump. But I don't have, there's only 1 year that this motor came with a mechanical fuel pump. And that was the first year that they put this in a Volkswagen bus. So, without further ado, and I'm nervous. I'm telling you right now, guys, I am
one of those
nervous.
YouTube magical moments where it either
No, there's
works
no
or
magic in this.
or it throws a rod out the block.
No, it won't do that. I have not started this since building it, but I did get oil pressure. So we'll put this oil pressure gauge so we can see it.
Hopefully we don't blow out the microphones with this.
We are moving
Pumping.
fuel. Looks like no leaks. And this carburetor has not been used in over 5 years.
So you know it's
So
gonna work
let's see if we
great.
have any Let me get a flashlight. Let's see if we got any fuel coming in. Otherwise, we're going to be done for a minute. Is he dry? You know what? I don't hear the fuel pump running.
I did hear it. Now I don't. Batteries charged?
Yeah. Great. Hold on. I forgot. I added a switch. Should not make any difference, but let's see. Smoke, 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 smoke. Turn that switch off.
We don't make this up. We do it live. What did we get? Is this the coil?
Yeah. So let's disconnect. I had it kind of backfeeded. So let's disconnect. Wow, that's hot.
What you need? Some pliers?
Yeah.
You want the needle nose or you want the...
They're fine. Your flashlight's still on. Okay. That's off.
You think I'm good enough to do AI generated smoke? Not a shot.
We do have a smoke machine. No, we have
no,
two
but AI
smoke
generated smoke for these videos, we don't have the budget for that.
Now we have two smoke machines.
Oh yeah, if you guys could smell that smell.
There we go.
Hey.
Whoa, whoa, where's the gas fuel line?
Oh, it's going. It's going. Oh gosh. Hey. He even decided to wear his nice shirt today.
Trying to clean up my image.
Because we care about what the people of YouTube think, or what?
Like and subscribe. Cool. Okay, now we have. Oh no! Stop. I think we got a stuck bowl. I mean, a float.
I'd be inclined to agree with that. I just didn't want to bring up too many things at once.
Okay.
No longer stuck?
I don't think so. All right, guys. For grins and giggles.
You're gonna kick it over? Oh,
Yeah, let's just turn it
so
over.
You're gonna not have it firing because you're
No
closed.
fire. Okay. So we're back feeding off of that. All right, here we go.
What do you got? Any
Nothing.
oil pressure?
Oil pressure's
Or
not
that's-
building yet. Here we go. You know what? I am going to disconnect the TAC feed. We don't care about TAC.
It's making noise.
Yeah. Not the right ones, though, huh? That's what the problem was.
What was our problem?
We don't have any power going to the coil. All right, here we go.
Is it going to happen? It's
It
gonna
may
do the
happen.
thing?
Woo! Let's go get a timing light. I could be 180 off.
I think you might be. Here we are. Got the timing light out. Getting set up.
Gonna steal electricity. Keep it away from the heat. Power. And push.
Need me to?
Can you turn that off?
This?
Yes.
So you can see.
Yes.
Sorry, people. If you need me to hit this?
No, the other one.
This one?
Yes.
You ready?
Yep.
Is that TDC?
I don't think it is. I think we are off 180. Let's.
You want to kill this real quick?
Yes, please. We still rolling?
We've been rolling.
Okay. I just put this distributor drive gear in. I was not particular about setting it up because we're going to be running fuel injection. So all of that is coming out. So I dropped it in without being really as careful as I should be. So now let's see what happens. Timing light's over. All right, we're just going to. Good enough for me.
I'm going to go open another door for ventilation. Any words of wisdom? We kind of shuffled to get some air flowing.
You know, I'm excited. So, this motor, I built it also for heat because of turbocharging. So, the fins on the cylinders are aluminum, not cast iron. So, that shall help with it, with the cooling of it. It's going to be a little spirited thing. It's a 1900 and change cc motor. This car came with a 1600. So that's about a third. Yeah, that's about a third, a little bit more than a third more cc's. Horsepower, it's going to be a little spicy. And it has a webcam in it. We'll find the webcam box. It's a good little cam. This thing's going to be fun. I think it's going to be fun without the turbocharger, and it's going to be fun with turbocharger.
I personally think he's ridiculous for slapping a turbo on it. I think you should just enjoy the car naturally.
We're going to drive it without turbo for both ways. We always do that. We've always done non-turbo and then put the turbo on it.
Well, because as we've talked about in other videos, the car's been off the road for 06.
Yes.
Yeah, so it needs
we need to go through it. Anything that's rubber needs to be replaced. Wiring is kind of not really fun. We need to do some bushings in it. I do have some upgraded brakes we'll be putting on it, especially the front. So it's going to take some time, but now we have a motor for it. Oh, we're going to be moving on it. I know it would be half tempted just to put that transmission in it that has the wrong gearing. I do have other transmissions, so it would, if I really was in a push to get it on the road and driving it, that would be, I could probably have it within a short period of time on the road, at least by August 1st.
Let's not throw dates around, you know.
But, you know, but we will get some summertime driving in it, and with the lower compression, that'll help with heat a lot. A lot of people think it needs to be up there in their 10s and 11s, but this is an air cooled. Luckily, I don't live in California anymore, so we have a much better gas here too. So we'll see what happens. We have lots of options. So next video, I'm going to show you the new cooling system.
Yeah, that'll be a fun one.
It'll be pretty good. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon.
Go check out Endurance Laser Works.
Hey, don't forget, check out Endurance Laser Works. Working on coupon.
We don't have enough subscribers. She said she
Hey,
can't do it
if you send us a message, we will get you a coupon code. How's that? All right? Thank you.
Well, after tons and tons of deliberation, a lot of arm twisting,
We thought it'd only be fair.
for the, for the people of YouTube. So hopefully, whew, sounds.
I think I'm out of gas.
Sounds aggressive, isn't that?
That sounded good.
Sounds good.
All right. We don't want to wake up the neighbors, piss everybody off.
Happy Mother's Day, everybody.